wasn't right. I can't even sleep and I can't get it out my mind. I need to get out of sight before I end up behind bars. What started as a simple altercation turned into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I face it makes me wanna cry. 'Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. It could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart right when I pulled out that gun. Rum bum bum bum, rum bum bum bum, rum bum bum bum. Man down, rum bum bum bum, rum bum bum bum, rum bum bum bum. Oh mama, 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 I just shot the man down in Central Station. If I ever get over it, oh mama, mama, I just shot the man down in Central Station. Ooh, I wanna sex you up. Break it, I break it, I break it again. Ooh. Ha. They try to make me go to rehab, but I said, what? Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, you'll know. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, he's tried to make me go to rehab, but I won't. Daddy, I'd rather be at home with Ben. I ain't got 70 days. Yeah, Daddy, 'cause there's nothing you can teach me. So I'm Daddy, that I can't learn from Mr. Hathaway. I didn't get a lot in class, but I know it don't come in a shot glass. Daddy. All I can ever be to you is a darkness that we know, and this regret I got accustomed to. Once it was so right, we were at a height, waiting for you in the hotel at night. I knew I had met my match, but every moment we could snatch. I don't know why I got so attached. It's my responsibility, you don't owe nothing to me, but to walk away I have no capacity. He walks away, the sun goes down. He takes the day when I'm grown, and in your way, in this blue shade, my tears dry on their own. I don't understand, why do I stress the man when there's so many bigger things there at hand? We could have never had it all, we had to hit a wall, so this is an inevitable withdrawal. When you walk in the bar and you're dressed like a star, rocking your F me bumps, and the men notice you with your Gucci bag crew, can't tell who he's looking to, 'cause you all look the same, everyone knows your name, and that's your whole claim to fame. Never miss a night, 'cause your dream in life is to be a footballer's wife. You don't like players, that's what you say, but you really wouldn't mind a millionaire. You don't like ballers, they don't do nothing for ya, but you love a rich man 6'2" or taller. You're more than a fan, looking for a man, but you end up with one night stands. He could be your whole life if you got past one night, but that part never goes right. In the morning you're vexed, he's on to the next, and you didn't even get no taste. Don't be too upset if they call you a skank, 'cause like the news, you every day you get pressed.